Well, ODOT's trucks will certainly be in full force treating the roads over the next several days. But after all the ice melts, all that salt must go somewhere. And researchers are finding it's ending up in our waterways at concerning levels. What about our drinking water, though? Ray Strickland set out to verify tonight. Ray, what did you learn?
Well, Sarah, there's a few things we already know about salt and its uses. For example, of course, it can help you clean. It tastes good on almost any food. And as it relates to the winter, road salt could rust your car. Well, we've learned road salt can do much more than that, and it can be harmful because it goes from the ground to waterways and possibly out of your faucets.
Water can carry salt into groundwater.
For decades, road salt has been seen as an ally. It's been widely used across the country to melt ice. But years of research is saying road salt is an enemy to the environment.
The amount of road salt that we're using is increasing faster than our cities are growing and faster than population is growing. And the salt isn't just washing away.
In fact, the chloride from road salt is sticking around and it's getting worse. According to a U.S. Geological Survey, more than 40% of urban streams in 19 northern states, including Ohio, showed elevated levels of chloride.
The amount of salt that is there is increasing little by little every year.
Dr. Lauren Kinsman-Costello works at Kent State University as an assistant biology professor. She spent years studying water in Portage and Cuyahoga counties.
There's extra salt coming from somewhere, and a really big source of that excess salt is road salt usage in the winter.
She says road salt is doing real damage to sea life and plant growth, among other things. But can it get to us? Dr. Costello says yes. She says salt was found in drinking water wells in New York.
A lot of the residents had stopped drinking the water from their wells because the concentrations had gotten so high that they could taste it.
It doesn't cause significant health issues, according to Dr. Kinsman-Costello, and she says it's unlikely to get in Cleveland's water supply.
If you're getting your drinking water out of such a large system like Lake Erie, road salt isn't directly going to affect you. But if you're getting your drinking water from a river or from a groundwater, it's possible.
So we can verify road salt can get in your drinking water. It just depends on what source you'll get it from.
Now, ODOT says it is aware of how road salt can have a harmful effect on the environment. A spokesperson told me that they are using technology to make sure they use salt more efficiently. And that's what many places across the country, as these ODOT trucks are going behind me, but that's what many places across the country are doing. They're changing up their de-icing method. You can see like some brine or some potatoes or something like that. And in some cases, it can save us money, but in this case, switching to another de-icing method could definitely protect the environment. Sarah and Russ.
All right, great points. Thank you, Ray. And as road crews and our team of meteorologists prepare for what's ahead, you're going to find constant updates on that storm on WKYC's app and, of course, right here.